Hello and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will be taking a quick look at the most basic functions in Excel. Excel has a nice feature that on the Home tab, you can, on the Editing group, select the most basic functions. In this example, we have a salary column, and the first function is the auto sum or sum function. If you have selected a cell below a column of numbers and select auto sum, it will automatically highlight that column. If the column is not correctly highlighted, you can always manually select the column as well. After you press enter, it will plus all those different numbers together and give you a total at the bottom. It also has additionals such as average, count numbers, max, and min. The average will sum the numbers together and then divide it by the amount of numbers there are to give you an average value. The max will give you the maximum, the highest value in that range of numbers, and min will give you the minimum number of those range of numbers. It also has a count numbers feature, whereas the function is named count, where you can count specific numbers. Because the employee ID in this example are formatted as numbers, it will count those numbers. If you want to be able to count anything that is not a number, you will have to use a function called count A. Count A does not necessarily count text, but it counts every cell that is not blank. In this example, we can select the names, use a close bracket, and it counts the names. Do take note that if I delete a name, it will change to 18 because this cell is blank. However, if I put a space in the cell, the space has seen that the cell is not blank, and therefore it still counts that cell even though there's only a space in it. So do remember that count A does not only count text, it counts any information if a cell is not blank. I trust you enjoy this video and remember to like and subscribe.